Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. Uh, this video is intended to tell you the minimum marks required in order to get a branch, 8 clinical branches through the counseling process in NB Diploma. So how much marks you need to target? See, the marks depends on the difficulty level of paper. So considering the difficulty level from last 2 years, which is moderate, and how many marks that you need out of 800 in order to get particular branches through MCC counseling in diploma. Okay, for any candidate the first choice would be All India quota government seat, then DNB, and then diploma in the same branch. Okay, if you're new to the channel, you can subscribe this channel, and in the description of the video I have a link for Telegram group. You can join that group and you can contact us on this number 9319128677. You can avail our paid counseling guidance as well. So for radio diagnosis you need to have a target of around 480 to 485 marks. Okay, and then you will get a rank which is sufficient to get radio diagnosis branch in case you're general category. For OBC category the marks would be around 470 to 475. In EWS it's around 485 to 490. AC category 425. ST category around 385. Coming to DGO, you need to have a score of 405 to 410 in general category. Same score required for OBC also. In EWS 385 to 390. For AC candidates 360 to 365, and in ST they can get in just qualifying score as well. Coming to DCH, you need to have 405 to 410 score in general category. In OBC 400 to 405. In EWS around 400. In SC category around 345. Coming to diploma in TV and chest, you need to have a score of around 405 to 410 in general category. Same score in OBC category and EWS category. In SC around 355. ST just qualifying. Diploma in ophthalmology, you need to have a score of around 325 in general, around 315 in OBC. You need to just qualify to get a seat through EWS category, and in SC category you just need around 295 score. ENT also requires almost same score as diploma in ophthalmology, around 325 to 330 for general. For OBC around 310 to 315, and in SC category around 295 to 300. Diploma in anesthesia, you need a score around 335 to 340, and 335 to 340 same score in OBC. In SC category around 315 to 320. Okay, so these are the score that you need to target when you do the GTs. And in GTs you need to have the score consistently progressing or stagnant, then you should not come down. There is no zigzag format. Okay, so if you are making consistent score and is improving, then your preparation going good. And I have created videos like how to score good in the examination, okay, which topics to cover, and you can also call us and can avail our paid guidance for preparation for NEET PG 23, because from next year is going to be 24. So you put next whatever time you have left, because the examination is fixed on 5th of March. So you have less than 2 months now, and you need to focus more on revising the topics and pick the subjects which are like having a one-liner question or a straightforward question, okay, where the scoring is more and less doubt about the options. So you need to target those more, and clinical subjects where the number of questions will be more. You need to have the basics strong so that you get the good score, and keep doing the GTs. In case you have any kind of like doubt, then you can call us on this number, and this score will just help you to keep a target. Okay, and the target should not be just the score that marked here. You need to keep like 10 to 15 marks more, so that in case the 3-4 questions are unluckily you marked like wrongly, okay, still you will hit the target. So that's it from my side in this video, and hope this video is useful to you. And if it's useful, then like the video and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.